Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to have a statistics question whereby we are told that the graph below shows frequency densities for masses of some 200 students selected from a class. Use it to answer the questions that follow. Frequency densities plotted against the masses. So what we're going to have here is this is a histogram, in other words, which is having unequal classes. That is why instead of frequencies, we have frequency densities for the respective classes. Complete the table or the frequency distribution table below. So for us to get frequency distribution table, I would like us to first of all fill the classes whereby we have masses in kilograms. This is 40.5 to 50.5. This means for the upper boundary to be this, then the upper class limit should be 50. For the lower boundary to be 40.5, then we have a 41 as the lower class limit. That is why the class boundary is 40.5. Then the other one now, if the lower boundary is 50.5, then the lower limit is 51 up to 55.5. So the upper boundary is 55.5, so upper limit exactly 55. Then now from 55.5, it means we had a 56 point up to 65.5. So this is up to 65 exactly as the upper limit, so that the boundary is 65.5. Then we now begin from 66 up to 66 because the lower boundary is 65.5. Then up to 70.5, it means up to and including 70. Then here we beginning from 71 up to, because this is 80.5, then it means the upper limit is exactly 80. So these are the class limits from the boundaries provided. Now we need to get frequencies. We should know and understand that frequency density is usually given by frequency out of class width. Frequency out of class width. This means for us to get back our frequency, we need frequency density multiplied by class width of these classes plotted here. Therefore, the class width will be provided by the interval here. Then the frequency density is the height. In simpler terms, frequency is area of the bus. Frequency is usually given by the area of the bus in a histogram of unequal class sizes. So this is exactly 10 multiplied by a height of 2, so we get 20. This is from 50.5 to 55.5, a width of 5 and a height of 14, so 14 by 5. This gives us exactly 70. Then we again have from 55 to 65, both 0.5, 10, then upwards up to 6. The 6. So this is it might not be 6. You can see this is 5, between 4 and 6 here. So we use a height of 5 and a width of 10 to give us 50. Then we are having the next one having a height of 10 and a width of 5. So 10 by 5 should give us again 50. Then finally we have between 70.5 and 80.5, a width of 10 and a height of 1, between 0 and 2. So 10 multiplied by 1 should give us 10. So we had been told that it is some 200 students. We can confirm whether this is 200, whereby we will add 20 and 70 to give us 90, 140, 190 plus 10, 200. So those are the frequencies. State the model frequency. Model frequency is the highest frequency in a given data. Therefore, the model frequency is exactly 70. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.